Let's move.
What if it's an ambush? Did you ever think of that?
Probably is. Watch our right.
Hey, follow me.
What?
You're gonna get a good visual. Follow me.
Yeah. Yeah, Johnny's in there, bro. Get out, you're out. Ah! Son of a bitch! Whoa! Ah! Yeah. Oh, Zeus
Got him.
decapitated me, bro.
Bounce too.
Yeah, I know. I'm going out either way. He deserves that fucking kill.
Got an instant ring. Watch out, dude.
Yeah.
He's out. He's out.
Oh.
He's out.
Ah.
I got you. Right in the neck, B.
Oh. One sec. Let's have a look at this.
Players out. 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 You got it.
I didn't hit you.
Dude, look at this shit.
Dude,
Look
man.
at this shit.
Instant ring.
Woo!
Instant ring.
I was running and just.
Holy shit. I was going like, it sounds like he's out.
You ain't even seen
Alright, well,
him over
I'm
there.
gonna. How's it look?
Yeah, I saw John run through.
What?
Oh no,
Yeah,
the other two
well,
are coming
well,
behind me.
Wait, I'm out.
Does that count?
I called myself out.
God damn it, Zach.
So yeah, I didn't, dude. I couldn't fucking breathe.
He was screaming.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, yeah.
No, I was.
That was the first time I've seen it.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, buddy.
No, it's fine. And you deserve the kill. You hit me in the neck like that. I'm going out. I respect that.
It's bruisey.
Yeah.
There's like no over here. Also, Johnny's already up there. Yeah, he got me. He came up behind me and got me.
I'm gonna follow Quinn and record him.
Go for it.
Players out. 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 Put him out. Yeah, you missed the one with the Anthony did though. What did you do? There's a guy behind me. You runs up. Who's
Oh, that one hurt. Oh, you guys are like that one. Man. Here we go, round two. Oh, that hurt.